Hey, it's a Friday and the end of week 3 and kind of the end of the grading period. I'm going to give you guys the weekend if you want to use it, and maybe even Monday. We'll figure it out. I'll have grades up by Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. Now, I fully intended to continue this string of it's easy, make something. And yeah, it is easy. Go ahead into these apps in order to create some artwork. But then one of our seniors who has created generative art posted in the forum in peer-to-peer. This is an example of modified generative art. And next week I'll show you the original this came from. But in the past we have taken these applications that are created with pure code, and they spit out imagery based upon settings that you manipulate. I mean, they're really cool. I mean, we created apps in the Mac Lab. We, meaning students. And Cam created this. So if we hit, or not this, but an entry in the forum, in the peer-to-peer network. So when you click on forums and you go to the Mac Lab forum, peer-to-peer, it will either be here or here depending upon who posted last. You just click on the name of the forum, and here is Cam's post where he's got some sample images and then said he ran it through Photoshop. You could run this through Photo P and get the same effects. Or similar, excuse me. Generative art is never the same twice. We'll talk more about this in the future. But he's got descriptions here, and then he has links to how you can get started creating your own application that produces generative art. And it'll be crude and brutal at first, but then you'll learn more and more if you're the type of person who's interested in code. However, I would strongly encourage you, before you get neck deep in code, to take care of business. Green, right? Green, green, green here, green down here, and the mission logs. So take care of business and poke around the forum, add something. We have other people who've asked about creating tutorials, and we have some really cool stuff on the way. Maybe it's a little sprint to finish the year strong and to set up next year where there's going to be a lot more peer-to-peer activity, and we're really going to open up the personal learning environment in the Mac Lab full on. Meanwhile, as I said at the beginning, it's a Friday, so do something this weekend, will you, to make the world a better place?